Everyone wants to flip $100 into $1 million. Of course. They show the Lambos, screenshots, flex culture. I'm in Dubai. I'm here, blah, 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 whatever it may be. Here's my rich ass penthouse. I can also go to Amazon.com and buy the same thing to buy a pile of $100 bills or whatever it may be. I don't have the time for that. I have 2 kids. Instead, I'm actually here to teach you guys how to actually day trade and grow a small account, okay? It's not what they're all putting out there. There's only a few guys I really trust on YouTube. I'm going to go over that with you today as well, along with some great podcasts I listen to that I think will help you out on your journey if you haven't already heard of them. And if you are on TradingView trying to grow a small account fast with a 1-minute scalping strategy, I'm going to tell you the real truth here today. Not some YouTube BS you're going to hear somewhere else with a strategy, I made $20,000 in 6 minutes and then I lost it the next day but never showed it. Wink, wink. And guess what? Whatever strategy you take is going to actually matter less than your risk management here. So pay attention to everything I say in this video because it's going to make a whole lot of a hell of a difference in your life. Let's actually talk about what really works, how I turned $2,000 into 116K, no joke, and how I lost it all and why. Let's get into it. Let's get into it here. Today, we are covering how to grow a day trading account fast, all right? We see this constantly, right? All over the internet, all over YouTube, all over everywhere. We want to know how we can flip $100 into $1 million. Everyone's got their Lambos in the garage, whatever the hell it may be. I'm not that kind of person. That's just me. I'd rather have rental properties, I guess. But that is my personality, right? Trading personality. So today I do want to actually cover how you can grow a small trading account fast. Now, you are not going to like this answer. And I'm also going for some boring aspects with you, but all these honestly are very important to pay attention to. If you are serious about day trading, you need to honestly take this seriously. This is my #1 passion. I do videos on it. I watch the charts, even when I'm not trading. I am literally a psycho about day trading. I know not to overtrade now, right? So sometimes I just watch the charts to see what happens. It's like a fun video game to me. Maybe that's me. But I do love day trading. And there is honestly so much potential with it when you really get into it and you don't give up on it. How you actually grow a small day trading account fast, one secret, guys, it's honestly, I did this. I took a $2,000 account to $116,000. 116, okay? Probably like 116, 200, 300, okay? I took a $2,000 account to 116,000 in one of my first years of being profitable trading. And you know what happened right after that? I lost it all. It's possible. You can do it. The key is knowing when to not overtrade, knowing when to not risk so much, knowing your limits and your own personality. A lot of people fail by not recognizing who they are as a person. Everyone's different. Me personally, I know I am a high risk taker just from all the way back from when I was younger. I just know that. So I really have to watch myself. There's more people that apply risk more steadily. So my biggest problem, guess what, was stop losses. I had to really control my stop losses because I would move them down or up if I'm taking a long or short, right? But I found out the key is you need to keep those. I'm a scalp trader, right? You need to keep those into the 15 to 30% range. And I discuss a lot about Fibonacci scalping on my channel and 1-minute scalping, 5-minute scalping, looking at higher time frames. But the key is you need to get in at a good price in order to have your stop loss. So it's only 15 to 30% loss, okay? And then your profit is around 50 to even upwards. I've had a 500% win once, but usually it's around the 50 to 100% win, I would say on average. All right. So when you are taking these trades, everyone says, okay, I'm going to show you guys a couple of cool podcasts as well that have helped me along my journey. I'm going to show you some books. I'm going to show you some everything. Now, I say this a lot in my videos, but this is a lot for beginner traders because I don't want you guys hopping on the charts thinking you're going to make $1 million because some meme coin trader, hey, I made $20,000 in 6 minutes, or some futures trader, I made $26,000 in 10 minutes, whatever it may be. They could have lost it just as quick. This is a pretty truthful and honest video. So what you're going to do here, right? You have your long position, short position over in TradingView. You're going to take your account size. If you have a small trading account, How much do you not care to lose? Is it 500? Is it 200? Is it 100? Is it 2,000? I don't know. I don't know how much money you make in your life, right? I don't know your current job, but let's say $500, okay? I don't care if I lose $500. I know I can put back $500 in my account if I have another job or whatever it may be. Now, if you have been on your trading journey, have been consistently watching the chart for over 2 years, right? Usually I'll say for a lot of beginning traders, the first couple of years, even 3 years, only risk 2 to 5% of your account. And the reason I say this is I know you're going to have drawdowns, you're going to have losses, you're going to get emotionally invested in this. You're going to have ups and downs, crazy up and downs, right? You're going to give up, you're going to restart, so on and so forth. I've been through it. So anyone below 2 to 3 years, just put 2 to 5% in your account. That's all you're risking on this $500. You can do it in a long or short position here. Everyone else, if you understand the charts, if you have been playing one stock, one coin, one currency, right? We have futures, Forex, whatever it may be, M&Q, whatever you have been playing, that you have completely been focused on that chart. I don't care what it is, right? Whatever you have been focused on, oil, gold, I don't care, Bitcoin, right? I trade Bitcoin, Solana. If you have been focused on that chart for 2 to 3 years and you feel comfortable risking more, this is how you grow a small account fast. Let's say we have a $500 account. We're going to risk 10% like a crazy mofo. And you're like, Leah, that's way too much. Yes, it is way too much. I know this for a straight up fact. It is way too much. But as soon as you hit, say, $500 account, as soon as you hit $2,000 on this account, take half out and put it somewhere where you don't see it. In a spot account, on the same platform, somewhere else, in a cold wallet, I don't care. Put it in a savings account, somewhere where you're not going to look at it. So you turn this 500 into 2,000, let's say. All right, take half out. Now you have 1,000. Now you have 1,000, you're risking 10% on. Now this is way too much risk, but this is the honest truth. I'm going to tell you every other video out there on how to grow a small account fast. You have to risk a lot in order to do it. An actual prop firm trader, how he passed prop firms, and he was risking crazy amounts to pass the prop firm. Once he passed, he went to less, let's say, he went to less risk, right? Went to 4%, 2%, whatever it might be. So instead of playing with all the money the prop firm would give him on that account, so he'd pay $500 for a prop firm account, whatever it may be, for a 100K account, and he'd risk it all, like I'm by 1.5 Bitcoin. We'll see if this trade works out. If I hit my daily drawdown or come close to it, I'm done for the day. If I win the trade, hey, I passed the challenge. Now I get to actually trade with that account. So basically, same kind of thing here. You want to get this $500 account to 10,000. So we're just going to over double it as quickly as we can. And this is how you grow a small account fast. People will show you, I'll show you a strategy too. But if you really want to grow a small account fast, you're going to have to risk a lot. There is no other easier way, guys. I don't care what people say. Otherwise, if you're, like I said, if you're in your first 2 to 3 years of trading, please, 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 please save yourself the money, develop good habits, really think about emotionally how much you can handle to lose. Am I going to freak out over losing $50? Don't trade it. Don't trade it. My goal is always to not look at the money I'm making, but the percentages, all right? So here is a great question I had in the Discord here. This goes right along with small account trading. Guys, I try my best to give you advice here every day. I swear to God. But great question. I plan to start trading properly next week. Properly. Okay. I am starting with $500 in my portfolio, 2 to 4% trade. If profitable, how long will it take to grow to 3 to 4K? My thing about this is, first of all, you don't want to be worried about the money and how long it's going to take to grow. Get that out of your head. Just get it out of your head. I don't care what social media videos say. I'm going to give you the real answer. Not that this is one my answer, okay? So I will give you the real shit in the Discord. You can stay around 50% win rate, 2 risk reward, okay? We have to calculate a lot of stuff, a lot of math stuff with this, all right? 6x, 90 to 110. Now, you're probably thinking, well, if I take 100 trades a week, will I be there? Don't worry about it. Make sure your process is good, your setup is good, you're disciplined at following your rules, and your percentages are in line. Don't worry about the money. right? I even say, this may sound disappointing, but in the long run, I want you guys to look at the long run here. Think of this as a possible career path. Go back to when you were in high school, college, wherever it may be. How long did it take you? Maybe you are just now figuring that out, which is fine. How long did it take you to figure out your career path and learn the skills to actually be able to develop that career skill? So we need to, just like the gym, you're not going to get in shape over a week, a month, 2 months, depending on where you're at. You need to continuously show up every day, whether you take a trade or not. You don't even have to take a trade. Like I say, I look at the charts daily. I just look at them to see what happened, see if there's anything I could do better on my own charts and put that into play. So show up to the charts every day, even if you're not trading. I also have my general rules, right? I usually trade market open sessions. I usually am only trading 1 to 2 hours. I only trade 1, 2, 3 trades per session. These are all general rules to follow as a trader. You don't want to get into over trading, revenge trading, staring at the charts all day. I've done it. It is, what do you call it? Mentally frustrating. You'll literally feel a mental decline by the afternoon throughout the day if you stare at the charts all day. All right. Great question. Come to the Discord, ask the questions. I also do want to go over with you guys some great books, and they're not all trading books, okay? Not all trading books, all right? These are the newest on my list here. We have the Tao of Trading. Very cool. More beginner friendly, moving averages. Rainer T.O. If you guys haven't checked him out on YouTube, I do like this guy. He has been around for quite a while. He has over 1 million subscribers on YouTube. No, he did not ask me to say his name. I just like him. He has a cool story. So Rainer T.O. I don't know. Rainer, he is a very cool guy. I like him a lot to follow on YouTube. I have the guys I follow on YouTube, like we all do, and the guys I think are scam. I'm not going to point out the scam guys because, I don't know, it's kind of mean maybe, but be careful. A lot of, what do we call them? Meme coin groups. Be careful of them. They're trying to farm you. If you don't know what farming is, it means your exit liquidity. They'll try to pump a coin and they'll try to get you to take a position. Oh, buy this coin, it's about to go up. And really, they're basically in down here. Not this is a meme coin, but they've already bought down here and they're making you buy here. Maybe some of you will get in here. Maybe some of you will see the message up here, right? Be careful, be very careful. Meme coin groups, I'm keeping my group legit. Yes, we do meme coin trading, but we're just posting coins we think could possibly run and things like that. So if you want to see that, check it out. Not a farming group, all right? I live trade perpetual futures every day. Not a trading book. Discipline Equals Freedom by Jocko. Love this one. Check it out. He was in the Navy SEALs, right? Trading takes a lot of discipline. What else? Oh, I love the Fibonacci. Fibonacci, what is it? Applications and Strategies for Traders. I read that one a while ago. The classic, The Intelligent Investor. I think we all know that one. What is it? Beats the Market. I remember this one. Yeah. This one's a quick read. It's how Warren Buffett plays the game. All right, guys? So check it out. Long-term traders, check it out. Mastering Trading Psychology. All right. If you're having trouble mentally, I highly recommend this book. It helped me out a lot in the beginning. I have bookmark pages here and everything. Who's it by? Oh, Andrew Aziz. Hopefully I'm pronouncing these right. The Day Trading Coach. Another great read. Trading in the Zone. I hope we all know this one by Mark Douglas. And The Mental Game of Trading by Jared Tendler. So if you guys get a chance, check out all those books. I can't even tell you how many trading books I bought. You should see my nightstand. These aren't all of them. All right. The other podcast I am listening to right now, I have been loving it. I've been listening to it while at the gym. So if you guys don't have free time, trust me, I have 2 kids, right? Any knowledge I can grab in the free time is great. And this one is just, I listen to it in the car too. He does have a YouTube channel as well. It's called Titans of Tomorrow. Wakir Asim, I hope. But I do, God, I hope I'm not butchering all these names. But anyways, I love this podcast. This is from traders of all walks of life. We have stock traders, prop traders, futures trader, crypto traders. We have people that were basically rocket scientists who now trade, which is they took their mathematics and turned it into trading. It's crazy, but I love all of this. There's one guy on here. He doesn't even look at charts. He trades based off comments on TikTok, all right? So There's a lot of cool episodes on here. I'd highly recommend Titans of Tomorrow. Great podcast if you can listen to it. If not, you can watch it on YouTube too. Titans of Tomorrow here. Okay. I am loving this podcast, whether you want to watch it or listen to it, but it is pretty great. So I do highly recommend it. All right, guys. And if you're interested in learning more about trading, like I said, I do not believe in signal groups, but I am here to help you learn and help you kind of learn the ropes of trading, right? I do live trade perpetual future every morning. I love New York's open session. Those are recorded in the Insiders Trading channel. So if you guys would like to check it out, we go over liquidity sweeps. We go over strategies. People have questions for me, right? I cover different topics depending on what you want to get more in depth to. I also do have the course on the Insiders Trader channel side, as well as an altcoin volume bot, which Skunks has been working on, which has been having some crazy, where is it? Up here? Imagine taking this short here, this badass short. Look at that. Boo! Trend break. Bam! Down. But I want you guys to take a look, hop in the group if you are interested actually learning more about trading and not some, let's say, get rich quick scheme, all right? A lot of people like to promote that out there. I am not sitting behind Lambos. No, I am just pretty much, I like to live a middle class life. I have my best friend as a neighbor next to me. I have my kids. I am happy with that. I have my rental properties. I am here for the long term. So hop in the group. Let's see what you want to learn and let's get it in 2026.